my daily routine. Hi, I am Fanny. I'm living in Samacá. I am Colombia. I am 21 years old. I am a technology in environmental management and study agroforestry in here. I usually I have get up at 5 in the morning. I might maybe put on my clothes and go out to meet my mom, cook, or sometimes I help her and my breakfast. Then I add some fruit, get my clothes ready and tie a bath. I fix my hair and have breakfast, brush my teeth and go out to the beds. Instead to tie in the bus to the work. I woke in at 8 in the morning and leave at 12:30 in the afternoon. In the morning and leave at 12:30 or 5:40 in the afternoon. I take the bus back home, have lunch and help my mother with the housework or organize my room and wash my clothes, eat dinner and do my clothes, my quiet work and 10 or 11 at night I get to bed.